Sorry, we got cut off on the last video. I will keep this one really short and simple. Let's do our vocabulary page real quick. You can show time to the half hour. 1 hour is 30 minutes, and these clocks show 2:30. So half past, remember, means another one for half an hour. The hour hand points between the 2 and the 3 because it's part of the 2 o'clock hour, and the minute hand points to the 6, which is 30 minutes after the hour. Okay, digital clock, nice and easy to read. 2:30 hour hand first, minute hand second. Okay, you are going to be working on page 601, and it should look like this on my own. So what you're going to use is, it says, use your manipulatives. You're going to use your little paper clock to show the time and then write it down here. Shouldn't take you too long. You're doing both on my own pages so that you are doing, don't look too closely, I'll show you the answers. The problem solving as well. So when you're doing the problem solving, use your clock to show when they leave and when they need to leave for school. Okay, so use that paper clock as a helper for you so that you can make sure you get all those problems down.